Hey, what's up, guys? We're back today. Wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about energy efficiency and running larger systems, especially when you start getting into rooms. It gets really consumptive and you start running up your power bill like crazy, water bill like crazy. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about how to avoid that. Um, so these two tanks with these big cichlids in them, I mean, they're not overstocked, so obviously this is going to work for my stocking because we're not of absurd bioload or anything like that. But what we've done was switched these 30 watt a piece canisters out. So we're at like 62 or 64 watts running power right there with the Tetra ap300. I was a little hesitant on this pump. You know, I like the Whisper products for individual tanks and whatnot, but I've never tried their larger stuff. I got a 150 running my 125, but I didn't know really how dispersion would go. I wound up running it together and then into one side of this gang valve, 5-gang valve right here, and then just divert it off from there. So we've removed this 32, 34 watts a piece, you know, and replaced it with essentially about 7.5 watts. So we've eliminated a huge power draw from this system right here. I mean, here we are filtering, these are each 55 gallons. So you're looking at 110 on the bottom, and then maybe another 30 on the top. So 140 gallons or so, and we're filtering that with a mere 7.5 watts. In comparison to the consumption of canister filters, I just find that remarkable. And then also for lighting, so we sometimes find around these big old school lights, and we like to try to use them and put different bulbs in them, and T5s or T8s or these guys. You know what we're talking about here. So these old T8 ballast, I mean, these are really high usage. You're talking 14, 18, sometimes 32 watts plus. Let's see if we can find any information on this. So this one specifically 20 watts. So with this older style of lighting and our big heavy canister filters, you need 2 of those lights for each tank. That's 40 watts, another 32 watts right there. You know, that's you're just running consumption clean through the room when you set it up like that. So what we've done is gone with one light unit held real high up, and that's giving me enough ambient light. My cichlids don't like a lot of light, they like it dim, so this is more preferable to them. And it's still just doing absurd for the plants. I mean, you guys see what 14 watts of LED lighting 3 tanks. But I mean, this plant growth is all from this lighting. This all started from clippings, and this is all a propagate tank. None of these were more than maybe 2 inches tall when I started this tank. So LED, get it up nice and high, daylight white, get those air pumps running, switch everything, you know, those sponges going, and here we have 150 plus gallons, or 130 plus gallons, running about 20 watts total. So I mean, that to me, that's just remarkable. You guys got any questions, anything like that, you know, hit me in the comments. I'm always willing to help.